Mr. Carson, thank you very much for your time for this interview. As a first question, I want to ask why you are here in ITCPE and why you participate in this exhibition.
Yeah, because actually this year we've launched a few new solutions. This time we come here and we want to show some of our new solutions and new products to the market. And we hope, I know this exhibition actually the performance is very good, so a lot of new customers and older customers will visit this exhibition. So we want promotion these products to this customer, to the market. Actually, INKBANK is one of the leading companies of inkjet ink and digital printing application solutions in the market. So nearly 20 years of experience already.
Mr. Carson, as a next question, is it possible to let us know about the latest technology and new innovation and product that you bring to this exhibition this year?
For this show, we've launched a few new products already. The first is our powder-free DTF ink solutions replace traditional printing solutions. This new product can solve issues like powder residue and poor breathability and fastness. And the second is we've launched a new pre-treatment for the raw-to-raw printing. This product is our new product, which improves the color coverage and hand feel and wash fastness also.
Mr. Carson, you know, the Middle East and African market is booming, growing a lot this past years, and I'm sure that you have many good market in this area. Countries like Turkey, Egypt, Iran is a very big market in textile right now. What do you think about the future of this market?
Yeah, it's a good question actually. Over the past year, especially last year, the Turkey market met the currency problems. So many printing factories, they moved to Egypt. So to be honest, Turkey is a big market for the textile, but now because of the currency problems, so they moving the printing factory to the Egypt. So now we also want to promotion our products in the Egypt. And from last year, our Egypt market growing very fast. I think maybe more than 100%. Especially for the sublimation and the pigment raw-to-raw printing ink and the reactive ink and DTF ink. This fabric, this inkjet ink for the fabric is very popular and growing very fast in the Egypt, in the African market. Before, the people always use the screen printing and or reactive ink to printing the fabric, printing the cotton. But now, just you mentioned with the author's problems, so many people transfer to pigment printing, because pigment printing can solve a lot of waste-to-water problems. And according to our data, we saw the pigment ink, raw-to-raw pigment solutions is growing very fast. So I think pigment application is the future.
Mr. Carson, how do you predict the future of digital printing maybe in China?
To be honest, you can see it's a disaster in the first quarter of Chinese market. But because the tariffs, USA tariffs, they increased a lot of, I think maybe 145% tariffs they increased. So I think in the future, the Chinese market will grow very slow, not very fast as before. Yeah, because the tariffs, it's very high. It's very high. So, but you know the latest news, the USA, the USA's tariffs go down a lot. Now I think maybe 30 or 40%. But we don't know what will happen in the future. I think USA market or some Europe market, they buy the ink they buy the fabric from the Southeast Asia market, South Asia market. So in this market, I think their machine requirement will high a lot than before. So they have more and more orders. So they need to buy the machine from China and then production the fabric and for the USA market. I think it's one of the reasons that mean that many machine factories they growing a lot in the first quarters. But I can make sure it's not USA market. I think it's the Southeast Asia market or South Asia market.
What do you think about the relation between color and dye innovation and the machinery part?
Yeah, I think it's not only printing performance, and also for whole applications. Because if if our ink cost is go down, they can have customers, the end user. When end user buy the machine, they just pay one time, right? But for the materials, they always need it. So if our raw material, the price is go down, it can help end user to reduce their cost. I think is the first, and the second is, a lot of new applications. The machine factories have to cooperate with the ink factories. We combine together because we need to improve our ink quality, ink performance, like the color break and some details. So I think we cannot separate. It's a whole solution. The machine just a part of solution. Yeah, I think it's not only printing performance, and also for whole applications. Because if if our ink cost is go down, they can have customers, the end user. When end user buy the machine, they just pay one time, right? But for the materials, they always need it. So if our raw material, the price is go down, it can help end user to reduce their cost. I think is the first, and the second is, a lot of new applications. The machine factories have to cooperate with the ink factories. We combine together because we need to improve our ink quality, ink performance, like the color break and some details. So I think we cannot separate. It's a whole solution. The machine just a part of solution.